What is Instagram Maps? Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what is Instagram Maps and how you can use it. So Instagram has updated, and when you redirect yourself to the messages, you'll be able to see a map icon over here. And when you click on it, you'll be able to see location services over here. So this is exactly like the maps you use on Snapchat. You can share your location with your friends and your friends can share their location with you. You can simply click on this gear icon and you can select who can see your location and they can simply track you. You can send your location to them, send your live location like you do on WhatsApp, and then they can easily reach out to you. So this is not anything new. This is the same maps that you use on Snapchat and WhatsApp, just using Instagram. So this is not anything new. This is the same maps that you use on Snapchat and WhatsApp, but now it is available in Instagram as well. So that's it for today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.